Digital marketing is an essential component of any business's success in today's digital age. Whether you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or someone looking to pursue a career in marketing, understanding the basics of digital marketing is crucial. This step-by-step guide will help you get started in digital marketing and lay the foundation for a successful digital marketing strategy. Let's get started and learn everything you need to know about digital marketing right now. Step 1. Understand the basics before diving into digital marketing. It's important to understand its core components. Digital marketing encompasses various online strategies to promote products or services, including search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, and pay-per-click advertising, PPC. Take the time to research and familiarize yourself with each of these areas. Step 2. Define your goals. Every successful digital marketing campaign starts with clearly defined goals. Determine what you want to achieve through your digital marketing efforts. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. Having specific and measurable goals will guide your strategy and help you track your progress. Step 3. Identify your target audience understanding. Your target audience is crucial for effective digital marketing. Identify who your ideal customers are, what their needs and pain points are, and where they spend their time online. Conduct market research, analyze demographics, and create buyer personas to tailor your marketing messages and strategies to resonate with your audience. Step 4. Build your online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is essential for digital marketing success. Start by creating a professional website that accurately reflects your brand and offerings. Optimize your website for search engines to improve visibility and attract organic traffic. Additionally, set up profiles on relevant social media platforms to engage with your audience and build a community around your brand. Step 5. Create compelling content. Content is king in digital marketing. Create high-quality, valuable content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your target audience. This can include blog posts, videos, infographics, podcasts, and more. Consistently publishing fresh and relevant content will not only attract visitors to your website, but also establish your brand as an authority in your industry. Step 6. Implement digital marketing strategies. Once you have laid the groundwork, it's time to implement digital marketing strategies to achieve your goals. Experiment with various tactics such as SEO to improve your website's visibility in search engines, social media marketing to engage with your audience and drive traffic, email marketing to nurture leads and build relationships, and PPC advertising to reach potential customers quickly. Step 7. Regularly monitor and analyze the performance of your digital marketing campaigns using tools like Google Analytics, social media analytics, and email marketing metrics. Identify what's working well and what can be improved. Then optimize your strategies accordingly. Continuously testing and refining your approach will help you maximize your ROI and achieve better results over time. Getting started in digital marketing may seem daunting at first, but by following these steps and staying informed about the latest trends and best practices, you can set yourself up for success. Remember to stay flexible, be willing to adapt to changes, and always keep the needs and preferences of your target audience front and center. With dedication and persistence, you can build a strong digital presence and achieve your marketing goals.